are live, guys. I'm Sam, Mr. Blitztech.
Revenue GS, and we're finally here with Chensō Man, Season 1, Episode 1, straight to your chest. Let's go. Hey, what's good, fam? If you enjoyed this video, check out our TCN community where you will get private Discord access to join us in chatting about all things movies and trailers, participating in our debates, and even submit your requests on which ones we watch. You also get access to our full movies, animes, and series reactions, so don't miss out. The link to join the community will be pinned comment. Yeah, bro. Is it me or this got some sort of like realistic look to it?
I know what you're saying, how it's like almost like a 3D effect.
Right.
右目が30万金玉片方売っていくらで売れたっけ10万もしなかったんだっけ
This guy's already mad.
Bro.
こいつはトマトの悪魔ですね
Tomato devil.
種から復活するんで焼いといてください
よくやったデンジやつりを管理調整費その他もろもろを抜いて
残りが7万
No way.
この7万から吸い
This has to be worse than porridge.
なんであんなガ
I
キ
mean,
をデビルハンタ
that
ーに
way,
雇っ
can
て
you
る
even
んです
afford
よ
it?
You definitely can't afford that, bro. You can't even afford the grains of
正
porridge,
確に
fam.
はあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな
100 yen must be like, what, 10 pence or something?
Man can't even afford the jam though.
俺は死ぬまで女と付き合えねえんだろうな
Man's talking about slice of bread for dinner. Like, I mean, makes sense him doing that, innit? Like, why would you pay it and then hang yourself?
じゃなきゃお前の
Can't even put the chance, man.
Not one bit. But why is his teeth like that from the get-go? The best thing man done. So wait, did he say he sold his out as well?
Don't think so. I'm not sure.
Martin.
Jeez. Oh,
俺たちヤク
Bro,
ザ
why
だ
does he look
よ
like? Is he a zombie or something?
もっと強くなって稼ぎてえからよ
さ自分たちから僕の奴隷になってやがんのなその力でも捨てちゃってくそ
Hey! Hey!
離せ
Woo! Hey!
普通の生活がしたいだけなのに
Bro!
Bruv, I don't know how he stood alive that long, bruv.
It is.
Bruv, just die, bruv. They even chopped up the devil thing.
Probably because it was just helping him, innit? Probably because it was helping him, innit? So it's like
ポチタ
helping devil
仕事
hunters.
に行くぜ
They're going in with the music, though.
俺の夢
This is tough, bruv. Come on.
Bruh.
デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
Let's go. Let's go.
Just got a knife in his head. Bam. Look at the limbs, bro. They're gonna end like a fruit ninja or something. Yo, this is soft, bro. Yo. This guy is so different.
Well, that whole thing looks straight out of a movie, man. That's interesting that she could tell
乗っ取りは顔見ればわかるわ。私はゾンビの
Maybe it's gonna be like
人と
Tokyo
して
Golden,
私
where
に
they
飼われ
just
る
kind
か。
of know.
like
飼う
being
なら
trained out to like
ちゃんと餌はあげるよ。
Maybe she's a demon herself.
That's the first thing I thought. Because how else would you know, like, distinguish between human and the devil?
餌って朝飯はどんなの？
Get this man some
食パンにバターと
Yeah,
ジ
there
ャ
you
ム
go.
塗って。
Jeez.
Oh
That
man.
is crazy.
No, it really is, man. Like, it's you know, I can't help but think here. The influence
Cry
of
Game Pictures. Sorry.
who?
Cry Game Pictures.
Who? What do they do?
I don't know, but if you're saying, I'm guessing they must do animation or something with games then.
Oh,
That
okay.
makes a lot of sense.
Because you see, it's like, you know, Old Boy. I'm thinking of Old Boy, The Raid. You know that kind of like aesthetic feel. Like, see the warehouse bit where they had all the bodies piled up. It kind of had a feel from one of them movies.
Right.
Like, and I can't like, and that's the thing, because straight from the beginning I was like, bruv, like this thing looks mad real. Like even with the camera angle and stuff. So like the way they've just shot this, like obviously because it's devils and it's got that horror feel. So I guess this is where they went together to deliver it like in this manner. Do you know what I'm saying? So it doesn't feel so cartoonish.
Right.
Like it's mad the way they've just delivered this, man.
Yeah, just like watching this, it does feel like Tokyo Ghoul like 2.0. Like obviously they're gonna embellish on the gore and stuff in this kind of thing. So gotta just expect that for the rest of the season now. But yeah, man, I think it's like a legit start. I just want to know more about Kenji. What's his name?
Denji.
Denji.
Yeah.
I said Kenji, you know. Denji. I just want to see like what like.
Denji. I don't think there's an N. Denji. Was there an N?
I'm pretty yeah.
Oh,
like
then Denji. Okay.
I want to see what he's more about. I want to see what this girl's on as well. Like, how did they even know that there was a zombie devil here? Like, what kind of agency is she working on? Because obviously, I don't know if the Yakuza's all dead now, because that man was acting bare dumb trying to get more power now. He's all clanning that. I guess that region's now like gone.
So wait,
So
because
that's kind of mad still.
he came to him and was like, oh, because his dad was paying the Yakuzas.
Yeah.
But that guy is was part of one of them. But I guess they got converted then into
What do you mean?
zombies.
Yeah, because he just wanted more power.
Right.
But then that devil was gonna be like, oh yeah, I'll just give you it willy nilly.
Okay.
Just took man.
No,
Full,
it's
so.
mad because obviously I've read a whole volume of Chensō Man, but there's a lot of things that is yet to be explained and stuff like that. So obviously with the anime, they move a bit faster, but at the same time, you're getting all the bits that explains. So like obviously the whole thing with the Yakuzas and stuff like that, and even you saying, yo, like, what's this woman's relationship to this, and how does she know this stuff? Like even us asking, yo, how do you know, like, is half human, half devil just off a scent? Do you know what I mean? Like, or is it part of your training? Is it common knowledge? Like this kind of stuff, man needs to know.
Like I said, I just feel like it's like Tokyo Ghoul, where the ghouls know other ghouls by scent, innit? So they can smell a ghoul and be like, oh, I'm not gonna eat him because of whatever. But if they smell a human, then
They go for them.
Yeah, they go for like pretty crazy. So the fact that she's like, you smell mad different, expecting to see a demon here, then she's like probably, I don't know if he's the first of the kind to merge with it. I don't think so, because obviously that demon knew how to do it.
Okay.
So I'm guessing he's not the first of a kind to be.
It's probably like a common thing to do.
That's it, yeah. So the fact that she knows, oh yeah, you don't smell like a demon, and she knows that he's a hybrid, and probably she knows the smell of a human as well. So I want to know what her deal is. The other two guys, like basically just a whole agency, and Denji going from here. But yeah, it's interesting.
Yeah,
Man.
his story is all mad. Like just straight off the bat, breaking down his financial situation.
He's never gonna pay.
Is
Well, you don't have to pay it now though.
Bruv, it's so crazy. Man's talking about, oh, I sold this limb, I sold this.
Yeah.
I sold a nut for less than 100,000 yen.
Yeah.
Like, bro, like, and like, it's funny because like at the beginning you was asking like, how did these men come up with these concepts? Like, bro, who comes up with a concept of selling your nut, bruv?
Right,
Like, life is tough.
You went to the wrong black market.
Boy, all I know is definitely not getting the best deals,
Nah,
isn't it? Because if you're
worst
selling
deal.
your nut for less than 100K, then I don't know. Do you know what I'm saying? But it's funny how you see him from the higher perspective from the beginning before he turns into Chensō Man, but then you also get it when he's a youth and how he came to be around this life. Obviously inheriting his dad's debt. Like his life is fucked, bro. Like he was doomed to lose.
Yeah, from the get-go.
From the get-go. Like man surviving on one slice of bread.
I kind of like that because I like that they left that kind of in the dark in case they want to explore it later. Because like, why did his dad go to the accuser in the first place? The fact that they said that his mom had a heart condition as well. That he's now inherited. I don't know if the devil thing is going to help with that. Where he needs to get
that
more
actually
blood
might be
to recede that. But I like those kind of things where it's like we don't know too much about someone's family lineage until like we want to know later on.
You know what? Come to think, that might be his kryptonite.
What?
His heart. Because I can imagine him going mad ham and then heart starts to start failing. So he can't go as ham.
I don't know, because now he's a devil. He just needs blood now, isn't it?
Yeah, but he's not sucking blood. He's just over here chopping people, bruv. So as he getting the blood,
Well, you better learn quick.
I guess man needs to find out throughout the season, isn't it?
Yeah,
But
that's
look,
interesting.
ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first episode of Chensō Man. I hope you enjoyed it. Now it's your turn to jump in the comment section below and let us know your thoughts and what are you expecting from this. And on that note, I'm Raven your GS.
Sam, Mr. Blitztech.
And we shall see you next week. Peace.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Nothing except for the war. Too many people died in this land. All that pain forced me to grow up.
What does that mean?
That even innocent, foolish children will grow up in the face of pain.